Hey everybody, how's it going? It's me, Azizz, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the PDT rule, if it applies with Interactive Brokers Canada, and how to work around this PDT rule. The PDT rule is also known as the Pattern Day Trader rule. This PDT rule is a rule that was created by the New York Stock Exchange and FINRA and limits day traders that have less than 25,000 US dollars within their trading accounts. This 25k includes the current market value of any securities that you hold, along with cash that isn't being invested. And basically how this works is that if you place more than 4 trades within 5 business days, you have a chance of getting banned for 90 days. And yes, that means 90 days of no trading and 90 days of pure pain and suffering. You will be on a 90-day ban if you do more than 4 day trades in a 5 business day week with either stocks, single stock futures, bonds, or options. I had a bunch of people asking me on the IB review video that I made if the PDT rule applies or not. And it does apply. When I was doing my research, I found that there was only one condition that the PDT rule would not apply, and this was only if you had a portfolio margin account. Unfortunately, this type of account is not offered with Interactive Brokers Canada. The only type of margin accounts you can open is a regular T margin account. This means the PDT rule will apply to you if you are using Interactive Brokers Canada. Now don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean that you cannot day trade at all with Interactive Brokers. You can, but there are some limitations. This is a good thing because this means that you will never get banned from day trading for 90 days. This is because Interactive Brokers has this algorithm that will basically block you from placing a 4th day trade within a 5 business day period. Ultimately, this means that you can still day trade with Interactive Brokers Canada, but you can only do a limit of 3 day trades in a week. I've linked some resources in the description below in case Ryan from the convenience store has convinced you that there's no PDT rule applied with Interactive Brokers. So feel free to check it out and do some further reading if you'd like. But now you're probably wondering, okay, well, I can't use Interactive Brokers now. How am I supposed to day trade in Canada? Well, I've been day trading for a while now and I've been using Questrade. With the margin account that Questrade has to offer, you can essentially day trade as many times as you'd want with absolutely no limitations. The best part about this is that Questrade has the second best commission fee structure in all of Canada. And this will be even better for you if you subscribe to their market data packages. If you do this, you will only be paying 1 penny for every share that you day trade. I have nothing against Interactive Brokers. I actually think that they're the best platform that any Canadian can get in terms of investing. It's just that when it comes down to day trading, it doesn't really match up to where I am right now. So that's why I don't use them. That's pretty much it when it comes down to the PDT rule and its relationship with Interactive Brokers Canada. But if you use Interactive Brokers, let us know in the comment section down below of what you think. We'd really love to hear you out with your thoughts and your experiences. Thank you guys for watching. This is me, Azizz, signing out. Peace.